Have you ever wanted to add a nice video hero section to your website? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So keep it locked. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to go into your dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. Okay, and as you can see, I don't have any post, and we're going to start from scratch. We're going to start from scratch. You can see there's no pages. All right, so right now I'm going to show you how our website looks. Okay, so we're going to go and open up in a new page. And this is how our website looks right now. It's loading up. And close that. Okay, boom. So it's taking a little while to load, but there we go. All right. So first thing you want to do is we're going to go to our WordPress dashboard. And you want to add your home page. So we're going to go to pages. I'm going to click add page. And we're going to call this, I'm going to call it home page. Okay, it's for my home page. Boom. So then I'm going to click publish twice. Okay, so we could publish the page. All right, next thing I want you to do is hit the black plus right there and choose custom HTML. If you don't see it in there, just type in the word custom and it should show up right here. Okay, now I have some HTML that I'm going to be using, and I'll give you a link that you can click to get the exact HTML, and then I'll show you how to customize it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my HTML. Okay, and I'm going to paste it in this section right here. So we're going to click paste. Boom. Control V on PC. I'm not sure what it is on a Mac. Then I'm going to click save. All right, so now this is the code. Okay, this is the code. Now we're going to refresh our website. Okay, I'm going to go to home page, and as you can see, that's what's showing up right now on the home page. There's no video, there's no nothing, but the code has been activated. Now, to customize the video, I have a video on my hard drive that I want to show. So in order to get that to be able to show up, I need to upload that video to my WordPress. Okay, so whatever video you want to show, you have it on your hard drive, you can record it on your phone, however you want to do it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload that video by going to the W here. Then I'm going to click media right here. Okay, and then I'm going to click add media, and then I'm going to click select files. Like I said, the video I have is already on my hard drive. It's right here, so I'm going to double click that. So what that's going to do is that's going to go ahead and upload the video to my website. And then what I'll be able to do is get the URL of that video and paste it so it'll play. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh the media. It should be uploaded by now. In order to see your upload, you need to refresh. Okay, so there's the video. So I'm going to click on that video. Here's the video that I want to play. That's the one I want to play right there. And I recommend keeping it under 5 seconds. That's my personal preference. That way your site doesn't take forever to load. Okay, so what you want to do is see where it says copy URL to clipboard. You want to click that, and it's going to say copy. Now you can close this. Then you're going to go back to the page where we want to insert the video hero section, where we pasted that HTML, our home page, right? And we're going to click edit to open up the page to be able to edit it. Now your HTML should be sitting there. Okay, so here's the HTML. Now how do you get that URL that we just copied of the video into the code? I'm going to show you. See where it says video hero section? You're going to scroll down. Then it says background video. Right here where it says your video.hp or .mp4, you want to select in between the quotations. Don't take out the quotations. You want to keep them there, and then paste that URL that you just copied of the video. Then you click save. Okay, now we're going to refresh our website and let's see what happens. We're going to refresh our website and the video should show up. There it is. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these sidebars and get rid of this right here so it looks like a nice website. Okay, so the way you do that is you go back to your page, your home page, and you click over here where it says page. Then you scroll down, see where it says sidebar layout? Click no sidebars. And then where it says you can leave footer widgets the same. Where it says content container, you want to select full width. Okay, and then you click save. Now that should make it go from left to right. Let's hit refresh and let's see what happens. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, now what we want to do is want to get rid of where it says home right here. I personally don't like that there. So if you want to get rid of that, I'm going to show you how. If you want to leave it, that's fine also. But to get rid of that, go back to the page. Click where it says page and you scroll down, see where it says disable elements. You click content title, click that box, and you click save. Okay, now I'm going to refresh the home page and that should be gone. Ooh, that's nice, right? So that's how you add a hero video section to your website. If you have any questions, family, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.